purpose. And I hope, and I believe, and I pray that we could finish the race with love and compassion to those who are not yet know Jesus. Whatever, anything under the sun, as long as we continue the Great Commission, we continue to spread the good news of salvation, we continue to share, and we continue to do our evangelism explosion. If you need something, or anything that you need, if you have some problem in evangelism, we are here. Pastor Alandel is there. You're always with Pastor Alandel. Don't stop asking a question to Pastor Alandel. He has a lot of knowledge when it comes to this. He's just only waiting to you guys to ask him. Even me, I don't know what level of evangelism explosion we have, what level of knowledge in evangelism you have, because we doesn't know. The only we know that some of us here bring souls in this church, brings, and it's good. Huh? But did you notice that you always bring people? It is underneath the roof of your workplace. How about outside? Let's try this outside the roof of our community in our job place. Try lang natin, no? I'm not saying na hindi po natin i-evangelize. Of course, we have to start from our own Jerusalem. Then we're gonna go to Samaria and Judea. Let's try, no? Let's try these things. Wala namang problema siguro kung lahat ng tao na makakasalubong natin, pakikilala natin ang Panginoong Jesus. Wala namang wawala doon, ano? Okay, so maraming salamat mga kapatid. God bless everyone. May the spirit of joy and compassion with the love of our Lord Jesus Christ be upon you all, and have a blessed and blissful Friday. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye for now.